Happy New Year. By the way, notice jai post recipe ya pork hapa. Hata Christmas tree hujatoa. Nunua tu pork ribs ka 2 kg hivi. Step number 1, chukua ka butter knife. Dunga hapo between ngozi na nyama. Toa membrane, ni tu design ya liver. Inafanyanga nyama yako ikuwe soft. This year tunataka vitu soft. Okay. 1 tablespoon each of salt, onion powder, and brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of Royco garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Royco black pepper, last but not least, 2 tablespoons of Royco paprika. And this forms your dry rub. Sasa koroga. Eka vidole ushike ufinye uto vitu tumefura. Juu ya brown sugar. Nataka ikuwe fine kama mimi. Wow. Sasa weka kama mafuta kadogo. Kinakuanga na mafuta so usiweke mingi na kushikilia tu dry rub. It's the dry for me. Now apply it generously. Yani weka mingi vizuri. Usiogope ni yako. Feel free to pat it just a bit. Si sana. Usioverdo. Vile nyu overdo. Osha mkono. Panguza mkono. Utajuaje niko na katawel. Now lay your pork rack onto some foil. Feel free to make a double layer. Hata triple. Round 3 as long as it's airtight. Now to the oven setting near baking. We're gonna bake this for 2 hours. Yep, I said 2 hours at 130 degrees. 1 hour later, fungua, pindua, rudisha. In a bowl, a 1/3 cup ketchup, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and honey. Spice it up with the new Royco spice for wet and dry fry. One of my favorite Royco spices.